Greetings to all. A very good morning to all my dear students. My dear students, it's my privilege to welcome you all to this induction program for academic session 2020-21. Here, I would like to congratulate you all to choose Gobindgarh Public College. I would like to share that college was established in the year 2003 by Gobindgarh Educational and Social Welfare Trust. The college is accredited with grade B by NAC Bengaluru. The college is affiliated to Punjab University Chandigarh, first and number one university of Punjab. The vision of the college is to be center of excellence with value-based education for the upliftment of rural and urban youth through societal responsibilities and fostering global competences. Here, I would like to share with you all the profile of Madam Principal Dr. Neena Seth Pajni and all the other faculty members of the college. Beginning with Madam Principal Dr. Neena Seth Pajni. She is a lady of distinct vision, a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge, experience and inspiration to all of us. Madam Pajni is MSc Gold Medalist, GATE, NET, B.Ed, MA, PhD and PGD in Bioinformatics. She has to her credit various awards, national and international participations in various journals, magazines and in various organizations. She has really made us feel proud of her distinguishing work. Moving further, the other faculty members, Professor Varinder Kumar, he is the head of the Commerce Department. He is MCom, MBA, MPhil, UGC NET and pursuing PhD, and he has to his credit various research papers and attended various workshops. Professor Rajesh Kumar, he is head of Business Administration Department. He is MCom, MBA, MPhil, PGD, CA, PGD, BM and UGC NET, and he has to his credit various books, research papers, journals, magazines, etc. This is me, Dr. Ruchika Jain, Assistant Professor in Commerce, MBA, MCom, PhD and UGC NET. I have to my credit various research papers in national and international repute. Professor Bangera Rupinder Kaur, she is Assistant Professor in English. She is MA English, UGC NET in English. She is LSS Program Officer of the college. She has to her credit the award of Anna Bhau Sathe National Best Teacher Award. Dr. Mandeep Singh, he is Assistant Professor in Punjabi. He is MA Punjabi, MPhil, PhD, UGC NET. He has to his credit various books and he has written various papers and he has to his credit various articles in current topics in various newspapers. Dr. Tajinder Singh, he is Assistant Professor in Punjabi. He is PhD UGC NET in Punjabi. He is NCC in charge of the college. Professor Aradhana Rana, she is Assistant Professor in Commerce. She is MCom, MPhil, UGC NET. She has to her credit 5 research papers and she is having 10 years of research experience. Professor Navneet Bhaskar, she is Assistant Professor in Commerce, MCom, MBA, Finance, UGC NET and presented various papers and awarded with Punctuality Award by the college in various sessions. Professor Karina Manucha, she is Assistant Professor in Commerce, MBA, MCom, presented 3 research papers in national and international journals and attended various workshops. Professor Priyanka Nanda, she is Assistant Professor in Commerce in Economics. She is BCom, MA Economics and is certified with RIE certificate course in personality development. So, talking to the thrust areas of BCom, accounting, honors, tax planning, tech, law, entrepreneurship are all the thrust areas of BCom, and in BBA thrust areas are finance, HR, marketing, law, accounting, IT, etc. The college this year, because of pandemic situation, is following online teaching pedagogy, and to share the content, the teachers are using Google Classroom, and for online classes the teachers are using Google Meet. So the links of the Google Meet will be shared by all the teachers in college Telegram group and WhatsApp group. Student performance evaluation for the internal assessment is based upon house test, assignments, class test, attendance and class participation. Talking about the infrastructure facilities of the college is having ultra-modern computer labs with internet facility and projector. College is having journalism and mass communication lab, gymnasium, smart classroom, seminar hall, spacious lecture theatres, sports persons are on the ground, heritage room is there, music and meditation room is there. College placement cell is working very hard for the placement of the students. The students have been placed in various very reputed companies. So this is all about Gobindgarh Public College, and I am very happy to welcome my dear students, and I pray a happy stay for all of you at college. Thank you all.